Cheleku. Come, my love. I've been waiting for you.
Hey, look at the other side. It's just what fast and start going. No,
I'm trying now.
Something else.
Ah.
Look at your glasses. Your glasses. Is that not Cheleku?
Oh, I really want to see him. I really want to see him.
Look at him passing by. Go on, call him now.
I can't see him anymore.
Oh, you self, eh? You are so secretive. I thought you were in love with his brother.
Eh? His brother. That stupid son of his father.
Stupid son of his father. I thought I caught you guys at the bush the other day. Yes, his brother. I thought you were in love with his brother.
That is the son of his father.
Allah.
I have nothing to do with him.
Hey!
I'm in love with Chaleku. Please, don't joke with him. My own that you should be careful. See, you know how wicked and callous that his brother is? My hands are clean. Please, you have to be careful. If anything, maybe if the guy tried to find out, see you. See my hands.
Wait, let me tell you something. This is what you're saying. You have to be careful. Forget this all out. This guy is so secretive. I caught the both of them the other day at the bush.
You are mad, but you are dating my younger brother.
Is it my fault? I don't want.
You must want it though.
Hey, it's not my fault, so.
Olama, you must love me.
Please, it's not. I don't want. Don't love me.
You are an idiot.
You are a fool.
You are an idiot.
You are an idiot.
I will break your head, but you are dating my younger brother.
Is it my fault? I love him. It's not my fault.
Yes, it's my fault. You must love me.
I cannot. I will not.
You must love me.
I must not.
Where are you going, Olama? I will break your head though.
Get out. I don't want.
Olama, you must love me.
I don't want. I will not love you.
You are mad.
You are an idiot.
I say you are mad.
You are a fool.
Olama, I love you. I'm begging you. I don't think I will survive without you.
You die now.
I die.
What are you living for? You are useless already.
You are mad. I should die. You are mad.
Yes. I don't want.
You must love me.
Hey,
I will break your head though.
See me, see wahala oh. I don't want.
You must want it.
And it's not my fault.
But you're dating my younger brother.
And so? What's your business there?
Olama, you must love me.
You can't love me.
I will break your head though.
It's not my fault. I don't want.
Olama, you must love me.
I don't want.
Okay.
And I will not. I will never. I will never.
I'm ready to follow you. Wherever you're going to, I will follow you.
Hey, why are you following me now? Go back.
I love you. That's why I'm following you. I must follow you.
Don't love me. Leave me now.
I will not leave you. Olama, I love you. I will not leave you. You are dating my younger brother.
And so? And so?
And you're telling me that you don't love me.
What's your business there?
Yes, it's my business.
You are useless. You are useless.
I must follow
the
you.
villagers know you are useless.
I must.
Who is there?
Hello, ma. You're welcome.
How are you?
Fine, welcome.
Is your father at home?
Ah, my father. He just left. I suppose you met him on the road now.
No. Hey. What am I going to do now? I came to collect Agaga Singadi. My own has finished.
Oh, sorry, ma. We just gave out the last one we have.
Hey, what am I going to do now?
Okay, don't worry. When he comes back, he'll get some. Then I'll bring it to your house.
Hey. We will come.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Oh, I'll be waiting for you.
Okay.
Oh, extend my regards to your father.
All right. Then extend mine to your sick daughter.
Okay.
Thank you.
I want to be as great as my father. Very great, even more than my father. And now that he's not around and the Akaga singer leave has finished, yes, what I have to do now that he's not around is to go inside that forest and then get these leaves so that when he comes back, he will be proud of me and he will congratulate me. Yes, this is what I will do. And besides, he's not coming back now and it's already late. I promised Uloma that I am going to bring it. Let me go now. Yes, I have to.
Chaleku! Chaleku! What is this boy? Chaleku! No.
Very, very interesting.
I'm going to Emma's house. You understand?
Yes.
So pick up from there later.
Serious? Oh, sorry.
Hey, Adeze. Goma.
Yeah?
Have you people seen Olama?
Question.
I'm not there. Have you seen Alama? Go to their house and look for her now.
I'm just coming from their house. And her mother said she went out.
So look for her. Stop asking us.
Don't mind, let's go. Nonsense.
Don't worry.
Akubala, Ojemba.
Papa,
Where are you coming from?
must you know where I'm coming from?
Meaning? Where's your brother Chaleku?
Am I his keeper? And stop asking me all these stupid questions.
Stupid boy. You are turning to something else. I'm an neighbor and I'm back on one. Why will Chaleku go to Ajohia Akwi head without telling me? He wants to be like his father. I could have shown him the unknown beliefs that chase away spirits. I know by now he will be battling with the spirit of love. I thank the gods that Ugoloma is not a bad spirit. It's better I go there now.
Cheleku. Come, my love. I've been waiting for you.
Wait. Are you not that same spirit that is always coming into my dreams and making love to me?
Omini what? I don't understand what is Omini. Oh. I don't understand you.
I love you. See, please. I can't do without you. You know I love you very much. Okay? I love you. Please.
Wait. You've been. Are you not tired? I'm tired.
I'm not tired. I love you.
Okay. But this your Omini what? This Omini is becoming too much. Oh.
I love you. That's just the most important thing. I love you. Okay? Omini. I love you.
Alright. See what will happen now. See what will happen. After just this once, I'm not going to do anything again.
Why? See, I truly love you. See, I can't do without you. Please. I love you, Omini. Omini, please now. I love you, please. I love you too.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
And
My hair. My mom made it for me. Do you like it?
I love it.
Thank you. Me too. Okay, fine. Rub my back.
Alright.
Hope friends won't come and take you away from me.
My dad is not coming back. No way. He don't even know where. I didn't even tell anybody. I just left. Are you sure? Yes, I left.
I'm having this funny feeling that we'll be here.
No, he's not coming. Nobody is really surprised. We are here. Alright. Mama Licha Nwa.
And it's not if I stay here now, you come and leave me. My father is not. We cannot even find you. Even though my father comes, I'm not going. Can't. Ugoloma, stop this. Ugoloma, you told me that you're not good. Ugoloma.
Chaleku. What are you doing here? I've been looking for you.
Why are you looking for me?
Why I'm looking for you?
This is my house. So I am at my place. This is my home. And you're asking me, I don't know why you're
Where is
looking
your
for
house?
me. Here.
I said it. Okuku will never lie to me. Come here. Come here, let's go. Let's go. Come.
Papa.
Let's go.
Papa, I came here with my cutlass
With you.
to get the Adarasinga leaf. What am I doing here?
And where is the cutlass?
I can't even know. I don't know where.
Let's go. I said it.
I can't even find it.
Okuku can never lie.